Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Wise business account like a pro, whether you're just getting started or want to make the most of its features. Step number 1. You have to set up your Wise business account. Head over to wise.com and click on business to get started. Fill in your business details, upload any required documents, and verify your identity. This process is quick and helps you unlock all the key features. Step number 2. Order your Wise business card. Once your account is approved, you can request a debit card. You can use it for purchases, travel, or even online spending. It's connected directly to your Wise balances and supports multiple currencies. Step number 3. Learn to make international payments. From your dashboard, you have to click Send Money, enter the recipient details, and choose the currency. Wise offers low fees and real exchange rates, saving you more on every transaction. Step number 4. Manage multiple currencies with ease. Your Wise business account can hold over 40 currencies. Use this to invoice clients, pay overseas vendors, or simply keep track of your global funds without juggling multiple accounts. And that's it. With Wise Business, you're in full control of your finances, smarter, faster, and cheaper. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips.